Hey everyone, my name is Andrew Freck. Today I wanted to briefly talk about my thoughts on the WAVLINK 40Gbps M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure and if it's worth picking up or not. Now, I did receive this for free from WAVLINK for free to provide my honest opinions and thoughts, so let's go ahead and dive into the product and see what's up with everything. So this WAVLINK M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure, which is WL-ST401C, has impressed me right from the start with a solid metal construction and sleek design. It feels well made, and the aluminum shell not only adds to its durability, but also plays a crucial role in heat dissipation, ensuring that your SSD remains cool during extensive tasks. Although I'm not an expert in data transfer speeds, I did find that this enclosure is very similar to my T7 SSD, and I thought that it worked just as well as the other one has for many years now. And also, just to note, I did use an affordable Crucial SSD with this enclosure, though again, it performed seamlessly and met my needs exactly how I wanted. One of the standout features of this enclosure is its tool-free installation. The SSD snaps easily into place and the process is very straightforward. The enclosure supports a range of SSD sizes including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, and is compatible with various devices like MacBooks, HPs, Dells, and more. The USB 4 port offers impressive data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabytes a second, and while the actual speed might vary depending on your setup, the performance is undeniably robust. The enclosure also features an intelligent chip that reduces SSD heat and supports functions like USAP, trim, and smart, which all help in monitoring and maintaining the health of the SSD. While the enclosure comes with an outer rubber shell that helps with this heat dissipation, I did find that it doesn't get that hot. I mean, it does get a little bit warm when you're using it, but I've used it for a couple extensive file transfers and didn't find it to be like so hot to the touch where you couldn't touch it. So just something to note as well. Overall, this SSD enclosure, it really exceeded my expectations in terms of build quality, ease of use, and performance. It's a reliable, well-priced option for anyone looking to house an NVMe SSD, and I would definitely consider purchasing it again if I need another enclosure. Overall, I'd probably rate it about 9 out of 10. I thought it was great. It works really well. I've never messed with SSDs before and creating my own, but I actually kind of really enjoyed the process of it. It was super easy. It just took a couple minutes to put all together, and I really enjoyed it. So this is the WAVLINK SSD enclosure, and I hope this information helped you in picking out your SSD enclosures if you're in the market for that. So until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye.